Agents, welcome to Reese's Central inside Hersheypark. I am Commander Cup, head of security. So what do you say, agents? You up to the mission?
You bet they are.
As agents of Reese's, your job is to protect the Crystal Cup and ensure the world is never deprived of Reese's by keeping this factory running.
You need to stop that net. We can't let him get away with the cup. Mint can't be bought. How are those ports, agents? We need your Reese's spirit. After him! It's all up to you! Quick! We can't let him escape! Give us the cup, Mint!
Oh no, I tried.
You've got this, team!
Show them what you're made of.
Agents, Reese's Central needs you. Are you up for the mission?